How to create and share Google Calendar on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now you cannot do it directly from the calendar app on the device. So instead what you need to do is you need to open up a web browser. So here I will open up the Chrome web browser. In here, what you want to do is you want to go to calendar.google.com. So go in there and log in with your email address or your username account. Okay, once you have signed in, on the left hand side here, there is a menu. So at the top there, you tap on that menu to open up the side menu. And then you go to the right hand side at the top corner and tap on the More button. From the pop-up, select Desktop Site. Make sure it is selected so that you are in full desktop mode. Then on the left hand side here, you tap on the Add button in Other Calendars. And then choose Create New Calendar. Okay, here what we basically want to do is simply give your calendar a name. So I will say Family Calendar number 3. Okay, and then we got spelling wrong there. And then you can give a description if you wanted to, then select the time zone. Next we tap on Create Calendar. Okay, so it is now processing. And if you go to the left hand side now, you can see it shows Family Calendar number 3. So tap on it. Then we go back to the right hand side. This time you can add in people. So tap on Add People and Groups. What you do is you tap on it and then there will be a list of contacts that you can choose. So basically select the contacts or the group, and then after that you'll be able to share your calendar. Here, down here, you can also choose the access permissions. So it's here, make available to public, and then tap on OK, or you can simply don't make it public. Okay, other options here, automatically add invitations to this calendar. So you can choose what they can do or the notifications. Integrated calendar, you can tap on the customize button. Now when you are adding a contact to the shared calendar, down here there is a permissions option. If you tap on that, it shows, I can't really zoom in. So here it shows what permission you want. So you can allow them to see all free or busy details. They can see all event details, make changes to events, or make changes to, and manage sharing. So select one of the available options and there it will be added to the list. And that's it. So once you have created the shared calendar, then you go back to your Samsung Calendar app. In here you should see it will automatically sync to your device. If it does not sync, if you do not see it straight away, just give it a few moments for it to sync through here. If not, you can go to Accounts and then have it sync. So here we can go into Settings and then tap on Accounts and Backup, and then tap on Manage Accounts. We go in here and then tap on Sync Account, and then Calendar, make sure it is sync. So I'll just simply turn it off and back on so that it will sync straight away. And there it is. So we have now successfully created a new Google Share Calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.